Hello, welcome to my channel and our new video, friends. Today I will introduce you to our 82 square meter prefab house that you see behind me. We will explore its interior and exterior together, from the materials used, from the construction phase, and the materials
From
used.
the quality of all the ingredients.
I'm going to tell you, friends, our building is 2+1, 2 bedrooms, separate living room, separate kitchen, a building with a toilet and bathroom. Our project client, as you can see like this, with a full length glass balcony, he has done himself, this is what we made, isn't it? Additionally, what she made on her own, a transaction before starting the video, friends. Subscribe to my channel from the bottom right. If you hit the bell button, you'll be notified of such upcoming videos. Friends, having made this announcement, let's start our video, friends. Yes, friends, our 82 square meter prefabricated house from outside, it looks like this. As I mentioned earlier, the outside, our customer turned this balcony area into a PVC glass balcony style. After we built the building, he had it closed, guys. We have created a balcony area of about 30 square meters here with every generation. Let me show you the exterior of our building right away in this way. As you can see, folks, any cladding process on the exterior of our building.
No, there is no connection
you
at
see
all.
our bars, our joining elements at 125 centimeters. As I mentioned in every video, if you don't want to see these sinks during the merger, we can hide them with extra coating spalls. This is an option. From the options we presented to you, yes, slowly like this. Let's move into our building, guys. An entrance to the balcony area is provided with a PVC door just on the left. There's some left by the teacher. There's a large seating area right here. As I said, our customer created this. He had the veranda part, the glass balcony closing part done later. Our dreams. Our building has been in use for 2 years. Constructed in the year 2020. This is a project of ours. A project that has been actively used for 2 years. So here it has been used for 2 years. We will also see if there are any deformations in the factory house. You will see in this video, guys. Then it goes like this.
Thank you for watching.
When we enter through the steel door, a kind of corridor area greets us, friends. There are rooms on left and right in front. There is a bathroom and toilet section. Right over here on the right side, there is living room section. Let me show you the width of this living room. Subtitles by MK. This way we have a living room area. And let's take a look at the balcony area from here. In the exact same way, a balcony window overlooking the side. There's a living room of about 24 square meters right here. You can see it by the chimney hole, folks. Our customer heats this building with a stove, folks. Our doors are standard American press doors. In this building, we have plasterboard on the interior facade. There is no operation. You see our union elements bars like this, guys. There is a kitchen area right across the room.
Congratulations.
As you see, it's the 14th. There is a trap zone. The counter area is lengthwise.
Subtitle MK.
There is a kitchen area with things like a dining table, a refrigerator, and so on for easy use. Friends,
Subtitle MK. Subtitle MK.
let me show you.
Subtitle MK.
As I said, this is a standard project in our building without interior and exterior claddings. The ceiling plate will be at a height of 50, standard one.
Our project.
When we leave the kitchen area,
Subtitle MK.
there is a children's room area right here on the right. The 2 single beds are dumped. When we leave this kid's room, right across again, there's a 7-person bedroom available. Friends, with the wardrobe section, let me also turn on the light. The wardrobe section, 7-person bed, skirt place, etc. A comfortable room that fits. This is our room. A neat 14 square meters bedroom, mates. As I said, the children's room is a 12 square meter area. We also have the room, friends, finally also. There is a toilet and bathroom section, friends, like this.
Restroom, bathroom.
A section that comfortably fits into the Dalbo project, friends. Yes, friends. Our 82 square meter prefab house was like this in this building. As I said, this building has been actively used for 2 years. This is a project we did in the year 2020. There is no deformation, explosion, crack, or aging in any way in the building at Hilder. I tried to show you in my video like this, friends. As I said, this project is a design with 2 bedrooms, separate living room, separate kitchen as a 2+1. Of course, yeah, and you can choose this. It could have been worked as 2-bedroom open kitchen living room, or even 3 bedrooms. So 3+1, 2+1, 4+1, entirely how you want it. You can shape your project, friends. Optionally also, you can buy it in a standard world. There is extra plaster coating, siding coating, stone strip coating, assembly. These are also optional for you. We offer this to you guys. You are shaping your building entirely. If you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button. To not miss such videos, you can subscribe to my channel. You can press the bell button. Friends, goodbye. Goodbye. Enjoy watching.